Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to delete your search history from YouTube. For that, directly gonna go and tap on YouTube application. So once you tap on your YouTube application, you'll have to go and tap on your profile icon at the top right. Now you'll have to go and tap on your data in YouTube option. It will lead to Google account where you'll have to scroll down. So once you scroll down, you'll have to go and tap on manage your YouTube search history option. So once you tap on manage your YouTube search history option, you can clearly see the delete option that is written in blue alphabets. You'll have to go and tap on the delete options and then tap on delete all time. Would ask for the confirmation. You'll have to go and tap on delete option at the end. Now it says the deletion has been completed and the activity selected is permanently deleted. So you'll have to go and tap on OK option at the bottom right and your YouTube search history has been deleted. Now you can go back and check if your search history has been deleted or not. Here you can clearly see your search history has been deleted. So that is how you delete search history on YouTube. So that is it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Thank you for joining in.